Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes, and this is Khushbakht. So today we are gonna start our 10th lecture. In this lecture we will learn about how to implement a simple counter app using providers. So we will create a project and we will give it a name, counter app using provider, and then click on finish, and we have created our new project. It will take a time. New window, and then what you are going to we don't need any tips, we are pro. Okay, so we will just simply this is our project, and we will remove the extra commands because I don't like these commands. We will remove it and remove commands from here as well, and we will remove this variable and the function because we are implementing it using provider. So we will create this function in provider class, and that one as well. Okay, we have a variable, we have used it here. We will also remove this piece of code and that one as well. Okay, we will remove this function because it has been used on pressed. Okay, so the next step is that we will just come here and project. We'll select the project, and we have to add a dependency of providers. So type in your terminal flutter pub add provider and simply click enter. The dependency will be added automatically after this command, and run flutter pub get, and it will update your pub spec YAML. Okay, so after this what you have to do, we will create a separate folder in the lib directory with the name of provider. And okay, we have a folder, we will create a file with the name of counter provider. That's it, we have our file. And now what we are gonna do, we will import the provider dependency. We will import the provider file. Okay, so after this what we are gonna do, we will create a class with the name of counter provider. Okay, extend it with the class of ChangeNotifier and curly brackets. Okay, that's it, we have created our class, and we will create a variable int count equal to 0. We will assign it 0, and after that we are gonna create our increment method. It will return nothing, it will return void. Okay, so this is our method, and we will do count plus plus, and that's it, we have our variable. So we will call notify listener. It will listen to any change in this variable. And here what we are gonna do, we will register our provider, because without doing this we will not be able to run our app. So in run app type multi-provider, and in providers you can add multiple providers here. So try change notifier provider, and we will copy this class name, and we will add it in these brackets. Okay, in crocodile brackets we will mention the name of our class, and after that we will also mention our class name here. So after this we have registered our provider class, and in child we will add my app. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully registered our provider class. So after that, just remove this. I don't need any title and these commands, and also remove it from here and that as well. Okay, so to access the variables of provider class, we have to declare a variable of provider class. Okay, basically this will be the main variable through which we will access our functions and our variables which we have declared in our provider class. So this is the syntax, and crocodile brackets and our class name, and we have mentioned it here. Okay, that's it. So after this, what we are gonna do, we will type. So I want to mention the counter variable in the title. This is just to show you that we can use the variables of provider anywhere in our app. And I'll remove this error as well because I have removed the variable title. Okay, I will run the app, and after that, okay, that's it. This is our app which we have run, but I think it will not work. Yes, it's not working because I have not called the increment function on click. So on pressed we will call our increment function prof.increment, and that's it. Now you can see I am clicking on the button and it's incrementing the variable in the app bar. You can also mention it in the body, so text widget, and in text widget we will call our variable, and your count is $, curly brackets, and our variable count. That's it. And in title we will mention counter app. So we'll run it, and now you can see that I am clicking on the button and it's incrementing the variable. So this was our lecture. If you have any issue, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.